Here we have a ring floodlight cam wired. This actually wires up to the mains. It can be wired into the fuse box, but for now I'm wiring it to a 3-pin plug. It comes with instruction book, an extra 2 nuts and an extra nut as far as I can see for holding it together, screws, a screwdriver, more instructions, a sticker. The camera's got 2 floodlights, one either side. The camera, of course, as you can see, it's got 3 wires in the back for wiring it up to the mains. Here's the base plate where you fit up on the wall outside where you connect your wiring. It's got a little spirit level in it at the top. It comes well packed in a sturdy box. Instructions there, a bit more writing there. And there. I'll come back to you later when it's fitted. As I got to fit it up a ladder, I'm not taking no videos, so you don't need to be up high, but just where I'm fitting it is. So I'll let you see what it looks like when it's working. Thank you very much. Here it is lighting up the side of the house at night. Thank you. Here it's recording the side here, back of the garden. And it's way up there. Thank you. This is a demonstration of what the audio sounds like when you're speaking through the Floodlight.